Let's be real. Your business probably processes dozens, maybe even hundreds of purchase orders, invoices, and shipping notices every single week. And if you've ever felt like you're just buried under all that paperwork, well, there is a much better way. Today, we are going to dive into EDI Systems. This is the technology that automates all those exchanges and can finally get rid of those costly, painful inefficiencies for good. I want you to picture this. Right now, as we speak, someone in an office is manually typing data from an email into your ERP system. At the same time, someone else is on the phone chasing down a supplier for an invoice. This kind of manual work isn't just slow. It's an absolute breeding ground for expensive mistakes, frustrating delays, and even strained relationships with your partners. And that friction, that manual grind, that is exactly the problem that Electronic Data Interchange, or EDI as we'll call it, was built to solve. It's all about taking human error and all those delays completely out of the equation. So what in the world is an EDI system? Well, at its core, it does two really critical jobs. First, it takes your business documents, like a purchase order, and it translates them into a standardized format that any of your partner's systems can instantly understand. And second, it sends that data securely. It also works in reverse. It receives documents back from them and maps them directly into your own software, like your ERP or your accounting tools, with zero manual data entry. This right here is probably the best way to think about it. An EDI system is basically a universal translator for business. It just sits right there in the middle, speaking the language of your internal systems and at the same time, the unique language of every single one of your trading partners. It makes sure that absolutely nothing gets lost in translation. And because it's this super smart universal translator, it offers some incredible advantages that go way beyond just, sending files back and forth. This is where EDI stops being just a tool and starts becoming a real business accelerator. Let's break down the 4 big benefits. First up, it's bi-directional. This means the systems actually talk to each other. They confirm they got the document, and they flag errors automatically. No more guessing games. Second, security. EDI operates with way higher standards, with encryption built right in. It's much safer than a typical internet transfer. Third, and this is the big one, automation. Humans only need to step in when there's an exception. Everything else just flows. And finally, flexibility. A good EDI system can handle different industries and business models all at once, without skipping a beat. Okay, so now that you can see the benefits, the next logical question is, how do you actually set this up with your partners? And that brings us to the first huge strategic decision you're going to have to make, picking the right integration architecture for your business. You've really got 2 main paths to go down here. First, there's direct EDI. This is where you build and manage individual connections with each partner, one by one. It can work great if you only have a handful of really key partners. On the other side of the coin, you have indirect EDI. This is where you connect to one third-party network, and they manage all the individual partner connections for you. As you can imagine, this is the go-to for larger companies because it's just so much more scalable. And of course, there's a third way. It's not always an either-or choice. A hybrid approach lets you get the best of both worlds. You could use a direct connection for a super high-volume partner to guarantee speed, while you use an indirect network for all your other smaller partners. All right, we've talked about the what's and the whys. So now let's shift gears and get into the how. We're going to walk through a really practical 5-step plan to get an EDI system up and running in your organization. Here's the roadmap. Step 1, understand your requirements. You have to list out your key partners and figure out their specific needs. Step 2, determine your documents. Which transactions, like purchase orders or invoices, are going to give you the biggest bang for your buck if you automate them? Step 3, establish protocols. This is just choosing a secure way to send data, like SFTP or AS2. Step 4, and this is a biggie, you've got to choose your solution. And finally, step 5, implement and test everything thoroughly with your partners. Now that 4th step is so crucial, we're going to spend a little more time on it right now. So, that crucial choice. Do you build it yourself, in-house, or do you partner up with a vendor? Building in-house means really high setup costs, not to mention hiring specialized staff to run it. A third-party vendor, on the other hand, usually has low startup costs. They use their own reliable infrastructure, and they come with expert support. Here's a good rule of thumb. If you have less than 10 really high-volume partners and an IT team that already has EDI experience, building it might be feasible. For pretty much everyone else, a vendor is the smarter, more scalable, long-term choice. All right, let's look at our final section. What is the actual impact on your team? Because once this is implemented, the effects are felt across the entire organization. This isn't just some IT project. It's a fundamental upgrade to how your whole business operates day to day. For your procurement team, this means purchase orders, advanced shipping notices, invoices, they all just flow automatically. No more manual entry, no more chasing down documents. It's a game changer. Over in logistics, key documents like the bill of lading and delivery status reports are all automated. This gives you real-time visibility into your supply chain without ever having to pick up the phone. And for accounting and finance, the benefits are just massive. Invoices, remittance advice, even electronic fund transfers can be automated. This dramatically speeds up your payment cycles and improves cash flow. You can see how one system creates a ripple effect of efficiency from one end of your business to the other. So let's bring this all together. The goal here is actually pretty simple. By automating the exchange of your business documents, you save thousands of dollars, you eliminate all those costly manual errors, and you just create a more efficient, responsive, and reliable business. It's really about building stronger relationships with your partners through better, faster communication. And that is our deep dive into EDI Systems. We've covered what they are, how to choose one, and the 5 steps to get it done. So that leaves us with one final practical question to think about for your own business. Looking at your daily operations, what is the very first manual process that you would automate?